Hi, this is to present the PDB automatic door bottom seal to demonstrate its new feature, which is patented, where it enables you to withdraw the internal mechanism without having to remove the seal from a door when in place. This is unique to PDB and no other product in the world has this particular feature. It retains all its acoustic, security, fire protection and insect repellent features due to the aluminium bar which we use as the closure bar in the door gap. Thank you. Now I'll then operate and show you how this internal mechanism can be removed. We take out the end cap. We can then withdraw the internal mechanism as if it's in a door. There's the mechanism showing that the features of the seal all remain in place. You can then do the repair or the servicing, whatever's necessary. You could then replace it into the casing, which has remained in the door in a fairly easy and quick fashion. As you can see, it slides into place very easily. And then we have the completed door seal back to doing the job it was designed to do. Thank you.